we will look at how to blink an LED on LED matrix of Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi. So there is an inbuilt library which we'll be using. So first of all, include Arduino LED matrix H. And then we are going to create an object matrix. So here, when we work on Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, there are series of LEDs which are arranged in 8 cross 12, right? For example, let us assume we are printing a number 1. So that is called a frame in Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi. So basically, when you print something that is an image on that LED matrix, it is called a frame. So it is declared as a frame here. And example, this particular 0 represents the LED that is present at matrix 00. That means the top left corner LED and then the next LED. So this is 8 cross 12 arrangement, which is very simple for the people to understand. And then in the setup we are going to begin the matrix. So this is again, these are all inbuilt functions of Arduino LED matrix, you can see here. So we can refer to the library to understand those particular functions. And then here what we are doing is, basically we have selected an LED cross 5, and what we are doing is we are setting it to 1. That means we are glowing an LED here, and render bitmap is a function which basically loads the frame onto the respective LED matrix. So what we are doing is, once this is set to 1, we are loading the bitmap, and then with a delay of 1 second, okay, we are going to again set the matrix to 0 and then again loading it. So this is how we are going to set the or blink an LED. So this basically, if you see here, when we are saying frame of 5 by 5, that means we are considering a byte here. So just setting a boolean, we are actually using a byte full value. So there are several ways which are mentioned in Arduino Uno website. We will go through them later. So this is the simplest way if you want to start and see and blink an LED here. Let us try to dump this and see whether the respective LED is blinking or not.
We can see the LED blinking here. So if we turn this way, okay, or actually this way, right? So if you count the LED, it is at the 5th row and on the 5th column. So that means 5 by 5 LED is blinking. So this is how we can blink an LED on Arduino R4 Wi-Fi board.